Welcome to Rajesh Technologies. Till now, we understand radio buttons, combo box, check boxes, means check buttons, and buttons like this. Now, we are going to understand navigation from one form to another form. How? So, in this particular project, I have different files. These all are different files. So, I want to navigate to the different forms using buttons. So, let us create a menu for navigation. Right click, new Python file. My Python file name is menu test. Menu test. Okay. So here I'm going to write. I want to create a three buttons. One for moving hobbies test, another for moving personal details, another for moving for qualification app, gender app, qualification app. You can take any one of the things. Let us create the window. So I will copy some code from the previous program, this qualification app. I will copy this particular code because every time I'm using, if you don't see, please see the previous video. You can understand how to write the basic things, basic imports and basic things. So let me paste this in menu test. Menu test is my new program. Here I imported TTK message box and tkinter. So W, we created an window object, and our title is menu app. Our title is menu app, and geometry, you can give the geometry 750, and you can give any color. Like now I am going for blue, and my logo is displayed in the icon. Font, you can take the font, followed by I need the three buttons. I need three buttons, not a single button. I need three buttons now. So button one. So it will be uh, displayed in window, and button one you can go to gender app. Gender app. So the command is um, go to navigate. Navigate is the function. I don't return. I will write the navigate function. Yes, navigate one. Navigate one. So navigate function I need to write here, and navigate. Sorry, define navigate. Define nav. Otherwise nav one for first navigation. Nav, and give the code. The code is you need to open with resource. Open is the predefined function to open the file. I need to open the file. The file name what I am going to open is gender app. So please same thing you need to write gender app.py. I need to open this particular file, and mode is read mode. So I need to read this particular file. Okay, as so f is a file. I want to read the complete file. No? Now you can read, take a variable code equals to f dot read. That means we are going to read the entire code from the file, and then you can execute this particular code using execute function. Execute what code? That particular code. So when it will be called? Whenever I clicked on the button, first button. Okay, so this is for first button. I have only one button right now. Let us go and see. Right click, Run the menu test. See here in this particular menu app, gender app is there. Whenever I click on gender app, the gender app will appears. It is also going to disappear and it will be displayed. I will explain you. Gender app. You can select any one of the thing. Okay, any one of the thing, male or female, and click on submit. Male or female. Okay, previously we already done. We will see this for gender app. You close. Similarly, I can navigate to other files also. So you can create other three buttons, other two buttons. One is for qualification app, another one is for hobbies test. One is another button I can create. Button 2, button 2 dot place. X-axis we will give 250 and y-axis is 100 only. So now it is going to move to text is hobbies test, and you can place, and I'm not going to call nav1. Now I am going to call nav2. I will write the function, and button 3. So button 3 dot place, so it is 350 and 100. So this is of qualification app. Qualification app. So now, so this is nav3. Okay, now create three functions. Only one function I created now. So for second, you can create another function, and third you can create another function. Nav2, nav3. Okay, so this is for hobbies test. Hobbies test.py. Here we need to open. Here nav3 is for qualification app. We are going to open the qualification app. Qualification app.py. Now let me execute. Right click, run. Oh, three are in the same line. I need to change the x-axis actually, and y-axis. Sorry, x-axis must be in the same line. Y-axis we need to change, but we displayed everything in x-axis. Sorry. So here x-axis everywhere 150 only. Y-axis I will change 100 and here 300. Now right click and run. So if you go and click hobbies test, we will get hobbies test form. You can select anyone here. You can go to qualification app. One second. So tkinter is not working here. Even hobbies test must be displayed this ttk. Why it is not displaying? Let us see. Let us see. Navigation. This is the navigation. I will solve the problem why it is not displaying in the next video.